Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we disable guys this setting in Realme phone device. Friends, you want to disable this setting in your Realme phone device. As you can see guys, everything is different in your phone. As you can see guys, your screen color is different. So how can we disable this setting in Realme phone device? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, we will have to click on our phone setting to disable this color setting. So we call it color inversion setting. And friends, how to disable color inversion mode in Realme phone, you can watch in this video guys. So then we will click on system setting, then guys click on your accessibility setting, then guys click on vision setting and guys scroll it, click on color inversion setting, and friends right side this red icon guys you can see in your Realme phone. So when tap on this icon, then guys this setting will disable. You can use your phone without this color inversion mode setting guys. You can see that everything is fine in our Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.